Hello friend, welcome back to Learn Kotlin in Android Studio. This is Kotlin019. In this video, we'll create a init board method to initialize the 32 pieces for our chess game. Okay, let's get started. So let's create a function here. This is our model object chess game, our singleton. So we'll have a function like init board. So we'll add piece one by one into this set pieces. But now this one is immutable, so we cannot add, we cannot do something like dot add. You see, there's no that. But if we change this one to mutable set of like that, then we have the method add element. Okay, so we'll create our first chess piece row. Okay, so on the top left is our black rook. Okay, so we'll put our internal logical origin of the coordinates on the top left. So row 0 and column 0 will be our chessman dot chessman. This will be chessman dot rook and player dot black. Chess player, sorry. No. Chess player dot black. Yeah, this is our first piece. Let's bring up our chessboard to check. Okay. Chessboard layout. You see this one is a black rook, black knight, black bishop, like that. Okay, so now so because we have let's add the other one, chess piece. Now row 0 column 1, which will be let's add another the other black rook, so the column will be 7, 7. Then this one will be chessman dot rook, same thing, and chess player, no, capitalize chess player dot break. Now this is kind of like duplication, so we can put a for loop. I in 0.1. Okay, so we can get rid of the duplication here. So column 0 and 7, so it will be 0 plus 7 times I, Okay, now similarly we can add the black knight like that. So this time with row is still that, column will be 1 plus 6i, So on the left is column 1, on the right it will be when I is 1 times 6 Oh, sorry, it should be that. I think we the better to, yeah, to show board, including the pieces, so we can double check every time when we add those pieces, so we can see it. Now, let's change this one to the toString. Okay, so toString is a method defined in the superclass of this guy, which is any. Okay, so let's override that one, toString, right? So we can cut this one to replace this part, like that. Okay, now let's get rid of this one, and we might break some code in, I guess, here. Yeah, showBoard, right? We don't have that, but now we don't need that. We only, by default, it will call toString. Let's give it a try. Yes, right? Now, here is our chessboard. Okay, so let's try to print out, that to include the chess pieces inside this toString board description, and we'll do that in next video. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.